Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to standardize data entry, prevent typos, or give collaborators specific options to choose from instead of letting them type freely. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your files and applications are organized. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to create your drop-down list. This could be an existing sheet you're working on or a new one you've just created. The key is to have the document open so you can start editing. Once your spreadsheet is open, click on any cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. This is important because the drop-down will be applied to whichever cell you select first. After selecting the cell, look up to the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Dropdown. This action tells Google Sheets that you want to add a drop-down feature to that specific cell. After clicking Dropdown, you'll notice that a Data Validation Rules panel appears on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll configure all the settings for your drop-down list. Here, you can set a range if you want the drop-down to apply to multiple cells, and under Criteria, make sure it's set to drop-down. This ensures that the validation type is specifically for drop-down selections. Now comes the customization part. You'll see options labeled Option 1 and Option 2. Click on these to edit them according to what you want your drop-down list to contain. For example, if you're creating a location-based drop-down, you might change Option 1 to City and Option 2 to Region. These labels will become the selectable choices in your drop-down menu. If you need more than 2 options, simply click on Add another item. This allows you to expand your list with additional choices. Let's say you want to add a third option, go ahead and name it Country. You can continue adding as many items as you need for your specific use case. There's also a useful feature called Allow Multiple Selections. If you check this checkbox, users will be able to select more than one option from the drop-down list at the same time, which is helpful for certain types of data collection. Once you've configured all your options and settings to your satisfaction, click Done. The panel will close and your drop-down list is now active in the selected cell. You can test it by clicking on the cell and seeing all your custom options appear in a neat drop-down menu. And there you have it, you've successfully created a drop-down list in Google Sheets that will help keep your data organized and consistent. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.